Okay, let's clean the printhead. Clean the printhead and use the cleaning function on the printer to perform the cleaning. First, let's pause the machine. Turn off the power. Remove the tape cartridge. If you don't have a dedicated cleaning kit,
or if you've already used a dedicated cleaning kit to wipe it, try cleaning the printhead. The director and I both recommend this. After installing everything, just start the machine and the voiceover will work.